Digging the footings for the lift. Maybe. Let's see here. Oof, way wrong. It's a 15. What? Oh, it's turning. That's stupid. Impact. Leaking. I don't have one. 5 o'clock, like just now. Just right, like freaking now. That means tomorrow. This is a job for tomorrow. But I got a Hoist, Mini Cooper, base model, front main crankshaft seal was leaking. I'll be back with the parts in right now. For you, it was 2 seconds. For me, it was 3 days. Anyways, yeah, so she goes in there. So I gotta get the old one out and then get this one in and get all this shit put back together again. Cause I'm gonna drive this thing. Light. It's camera action one. Okay. I'll drill a hole in the old seal. Right in there. Just big enough to thread a screw into. And then I can pry off the screw and it'll pry it out. Watch. Hello? Oh, this thing is crazy. Anyways. Okay. It just came out with the damn bye. Okay. So there's where the seal was. The seal is no longer in there. Install a new one. Hopefully. Hopefully we don't mess this up. The seal's... Look how it just popped out. Top there will help hold the stuff in. And the retaining stuff I'm talking about is 515 flange sealant. The stuff, when it dries hard. Just got to make sure it's nice and clean in here. Dab. There's probably better things for this application, but you know what? Piss with the dick you got. That's what it's getting. She's flush. Now. Sure. And then this is supposed to, I mean, it's not really. It's supposed to hold it in too, I think. As you can see. And it's held in by a bolt. Put some Loctite on it. I don't know. Get the old impact. Not that much. So you put the old wrench, whole dang engine over. Okay. Put the belt on, and maybe we'll even fire it up. Usually when things go that easy, it's not that great. It's not good. Also, what do you guys think of the Chinese 2-post lift? Haven't had too many problems with it. I say too many because I had a leak on both cylinders because the fittings weren't tight, but I mean it's kind of almost my fault. Up a sec. One thing I was able to find in town is a new belt, so that's a plus. Hello, Agnes. I got tires to change today before I head back to work. Slip off. Put her down and we'll torque them up. Check some fluids. Maybe we'll take her for a rip. Needs a bit of work this year. PSI. No fun at all. Torques and things. Again, whales apparently. Torqued up. That is a front main seal repaired so far. This one's definitely flush, even recessed a bit, so it's more, the sealing is more on the shaft itself, which is nice. And then while I was at it, I did polish the lights. Hello, Norman. Say hi. Say hi to the YouTubes. We'll get some, they'll be brighter because they were pretty dull and yellow, you know, as old plastic gets. Here's the end result. Anyways, I'm tired. I gotta change more tires. Guys, in the next one. Well, it'll lift it. It's legit sketchy. It's all the way off. These are do it. This is sketchy as shit, which is why I'm recording it.